Hello everyone! Here we have Unity with our default background skybox. In order to change the skybox, we need to go to Window, Lighting, Settings, under Environment there is a part where we can add a different skybox, but if we want to change skybox, we first need a different skybox. A skybox is a material, so let's right click on our project panel, go on Create, Material, and here we have our new material, as you can see from the inspector. But this is just a normal material now, and we want a skybox material. So let's go and click here near Shader, Skybox. Here we have three different types of skybox. The most common two are the six-sided and the last one. We will see both of them. Procedural is the same as the default version, and we can change the colors, like adding a little bit of red. Let's attach the material to the skybox space on Lighting so that we can see the changes. Now we attached it and we can see the light change in real time. The second type of skybox material, the six-sided material, needs 6 pictures to create the skybox. You can create it in Photoshop or paint it in other ways. You can take pictures in real life and adjust them, for example. But for now, I will download some pictures from the asset store. Here we have our 6 pictures. Let's attach them. Sometimes Unity needs to fix the image, so we have to click on the button below, but it doesn't appear always. And now we can see our beautiful skybox. Thank you for being here. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you to the next video. Bye bye!